So much does the new season please me well, for the sweet joy in which love has placed me here, that all I do or say is good and beautiful and well, and I wish to sing in the manner of a courtly peer. For it does not please me to contend with slanderers, and you shall say, Lord Sordell, what you will, but he does enough who learns and never errs, and I learn willingly at every moment still. By the faith I owe you, fair friend Lord Sordell, it would grieve me much if you would not believe me now. Never through any foul charge did you wear the base hood of hell, for I did not make the servant is against you I avow. Nor does it please me that I should in anything misjudge you, rather I say to all, for I know that honor is dear to you, that never did any man have so long a revenue, nor do I think that ever a jungler you were true. Often you strike with sword and with knife, since you are well equipped he has joy who sees you there of nights. You resemble him of the wooden horse and strife when on the horse you are mounted with your armor and your gear, and do not think that I would meet you in any place once I see that with arms you have been taken and pressed, and since toward you I have no heart to defend my case, if God save you my lord, let mercy come to my breast. If Lord Reforce had said that at except the butcher's stall you ate something wherewith you were taken by surprise, never did you buy belly, nor tripe, nor intestine at all, nor head, nor feet, nor liver, nor sweetbreads in any wise, nor anything by which you might be taken or offended, but because you said that love holds you as one card, Lord Sordell, upon me take the amendment of that sin which for love you would have wrought. Since I came here I never pinned a pelt upon my back that made me look like a wolf, nor do I wish it so. Well did I know to guard it, leaving from the tack, that upon the foot no misstep should remain or grow, nor do I think my lord would reproach me for it, for counsel I had from him before I came this way. But let us pray God, Lord Sordell, that he sell dear yet the treasons that make men break faith and go astray. But let us pray God, Lord Sordell, that he sell dear yet the treasons that make men break faith and go astray. Though you have Lord Sordell so long or ever knew you are no jungler, and if a jungler you were, never did he make, but I do not reprove you. So good a jungler of so base a servant is in his care.